Hello friends, and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can check when a particular reel video has been published on Instagram. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under the video, write your comments, and let us get started with you. So, if you, friends, let's say you're on Instagram and you're watching Reel here, and you'd like to know when one of these videos was created or when one of these videos was published. Unfortunately, you won't find that information, for example, in the description of that video, if there is one at the bottom. For this, you will need to go to the page of the person who published the video. To do this, you will need to click on the name of the person or his photo, so you will go to this page. Next, friends, you will need to find this reel in the list of publications. To do that, click right here, because when you click on Go to a person's page through Reel, it will take you to the Reel list. But you'll need to go to the publication. Then scroll down, and you can find that reel or that video that you just watched, and it'll say that you just watched it. And when you open it up, you can see at the bottom what date or how many days ago that video was published. That's just the way, friends, you will be able to check when some Instagram video was published. Friends, I hope this video was helpful and useful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and write your comments. Bye-bye.